Again, ordered pair. We have plot, then graph, and then coordinate plane and table of values. Okay. I just want you to read this because these are the vocabularies that will be part of this today's discussion. So again, these are the steps. Okay. Don't copy. So these are the steps in graphing. Okay. First is to construct table of values, make the coordinate plane, and then identify the ordered pair, and then join all the plotted points. Now, let's have some example. What do you call this? Ano yung line up? What do you call this? My chai. Coordinate plane. Again, what is this? Tuko na nilay? Coordinate plane. Now, again, you need to have a coordinate plane. Now, let's talk about table of values. What are table of values? These are the X and Y value where this from this table of values, we're gonna identify our ordered pairs. Now, everyone, using this table of values, what are the ordered pairs? What are the ordered pairs? Ordered pairs pawalay. The X comma Y value. What are the ordered pairs? Tukod. 0, comma 1. Very good. What else? 1, comma 2. And then 2, comma 3. And then 3, comma 4. And then 4, comma 5. So again, once you have the table of values, identify your ordered pairs and then plot. Plot, pewalay. We're gonna put this point into the coordinate plane. So 0, 1. Where is 0, 1? You're gonna plot the points. How do you may? Again, you call this plot. So 1, comma 2, 2, comma 3, 3, comma 4, and then 4, comma 5. Again, once you have table of values, you identify the ordered pair, you plot the ordered pairs, and then connect. Remember, everyone, when making a graph, may sentrong, okay, logo, you put the arrow. Because again, this is continuous from this side and from the other side. How's it, Mai? Now let's have some example. Tuhon. Everyone, please read. Tuhon, ankap. Okay, y is equal to x plus 1. Once we have the equation, we're gonna graph that equation. Okay? First is to make table of value. Now, in making table of value, you I you make the value of x, okay? Kaya alay gaday. If you want negative 10, negative 5, 0, 5, 10, gaday. If you want 1, 2, 3, 4, it's also okay. If you want negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, die kap. Okay, die mo. But I want to use this one, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay? Now, from what we have learned last time, we identify the value of one variable using the value of the other variable, right? Now, we have here x is equal to negative 2. Summing up. X equals negative 1, x equals 0, x equals 1, and x equals 2. Now, everyone, what's the value of y when x is negative 2? Again, we're using this equation. Y is equal to x plus 1. Now, what's the value of y when x is equal to negative 2? Pamalay ka? Again, x is negative 2, so you're going to substitute from your x. We're going to have this one. What is negative 2 plus 1? Negative 1. Meaning that when x is negative 2, the value of your y is negative 1, and you're gonna fill this one in here. Okay? How about when x is negative 1? What's the value of y? The value of y is 0. Check me up. X is negative 1, so we're gonna substitute it. How about when x is 0? What's the value of your y? 1. How about when x is 1? What's the value of your y? 2. When x is 2, what's the value of your y? เข้าใจไหมครับ And then, once you finish the table of value, you make the coordinate plane. Ta-da! Okay? And once you have the coordinate plane, identify the ordered pairs and then plot. What are the ordered pairs? Ordered pairs. X comma Y. Eh? What are the ordered pairs? Ani nga. Ordered pairs. Negative 2, comma, negative, negative 2, comma, negative. And then you're gonna plot it, okay? How do you What else? We have this one. What is this? Negative 1, comma, 0. We're gonna plot it there. And then we have 0, comma, 1. And then 1, comma, 2. And then we have 2, comma, 3. And what do you need to do next? You connect the points. And this is the graph of y is equal to x plus 1. เข้าใจไหมครับ one more. Let's have another example. มาทุกคนอ่านครับ Okay. Again, you can make any value of x อะไรก็ได้ okay? ตายหมดครับ But let's use the small numbers. Now, what's the value of y when x is negative 2? Yes.
เนกเนกาทีฟใช่ไหมเนกาทีฟ4เอ๊ะ
ถูกไหมครับ
4
4ถูกไหมครับ 4
แป๊บหนึ่ง
What's the value of y when x is negative 2?
เนกาทีฟ5
Negative 5? ทำไมถูกครับ Okay. Again, we're dealing with this equation. You're gonna substitute x is negative 2 to our variable x, of course. Now, everyone, 2 times negative 2. 2 คูณลบ2เป็นอะไร 2 times negative 2? Negative 4. That's why you're gonna have here negative 4 minus 1. And what is negative 4 minus 1? Negative 5. Meaning when x is negative 2, the value of your y is negative 5. How about when x is negative 1?
Negative 2.
Negative 2? Two สมการครับ2คูณลบ1ลบ1
Negative 3.
Okay, the answer is negative 3. Remember, we're gonna substitute. Again, this is our equation, right? So we're gonna have 2 times negative 1 minus 1. What is 2 times negative 1? Negative 2. Minus 1, lop song, lop nung? Negative 3. How about when x is 0? What's the value of y when x is 0?
negative 1
Negative 1. ถูกไหมครับ It is correct. The answer is negative 1. How about when x is 1? What's the value of your y?
C 2
When x is 1. เท่าไหร่ครับ
2
2 2คูณ1ลบ1เป็นอะไรครับ 2 times negative 1 2 times 1 minus 1.
เหรอคะ 1
Answer is the answer is 1. How about when x is 2? What's the value of y, everyone? The answer is 3. เข้าใจไหมอันนี้2คูณ2ลบ1เป็นอะไรครับ3ใช่ไหมครับ Now once you have it, create a table of coordinate plane. What are the ordered pairs, everyone? What are the ordered pairs? Ordered pairs. Negative 2, comma, negative 5. นี่ใช่ไหมครับ Again, this one. Negative 2, comma, negative 5. What else? Negative 1, comma, negative 3. And then we have 0, comma, negative 1. แล้วก็ 1, comma, 1. And then 2, comma, 3. And then you're going to graph. One last. เอาใหม่ตัวก่อนครับ y equals 3x. What's the value of y when x is negative 2, everyone? Hey. The value of y when x is negative 2. Negative 6. Minus 1. What's the value of y when x is negative 1? Negative 3. The value of y when x is 0? The value of y when x is 1. And the value of y when x is 2? Minus 2, Leo. Okay, what are the ordered pairs, everyone? Negative 2, comma, negative 6. And then? Negative 1, comma, negative 3. And then we have 0, comma, 0. 1, comma, 3. And then 2, comma, 6. And then you're gonna connect the points. Easy,ใช่ไหมครับ? You understand? Okay, everyone? I want you to to answer this, okay? ทุกคน can we ติดตามด้วยครับ table of value and then graph. Okay? Do it now. พร้อมเลย can we ติดตามด้วยครับ Okay? What is that? อันนั้นไงก็ไม่มีเสียง
มันผิดนิดหน่อย
ไม่มีถ้ามันต้องใช้อ่ะพี่ดอกแค่นี้พี่ดอกโคตรฟันอ่ะเรื่องไปปรุงใหม่พี่อ่ะ
ทำไมมันมาแนวนี้วะ ใช้ไม่ได้ใช้ไม่ได้แนวไหนใช้ไม่ได้ที่มันลอกเลยใช้ไม่ได้ไม่ได้ใหม่ใช้ไม่ได้ใช้ไม่ได้ไปคอมโบใหม่
The graph of a linear straight circle. Again, when graphing, extend the line and parallel. Everyone, as I've said last time, hey, tuwan, look, when making a graph, these are the points. Make up. Connect the points, but make sure you extend the line and put arrow. Okay? Ani guys? Arrow do I cup? How Mai? If your graph is wrong, no score. Did I put line when I did I put line here? No. What's an arrow? Go, extend the line, extend. ยังไม่เสร็จครับ not finish ไอ้ยยังไม่เสร็จกี่นาทีครับ how many minutes หาโอเคหานาที this one ไม่จริง Okay. Finish. Where's the arrow? Arrow. Arrow. อันนี้ครับ arrow ภาษาไทยฮะลูกศรอันนี้ลูกศรโอเคลูกศรก็ไม่มีเสียงหยุดอย่างเดียวครับแต่ว่าวิ่งวิ่งเลยวิ่ง2 นาทีได้ใช่ป่ะ2 นาที2 นาที
ข้อเหล็กนี่เชิญลูก
อะไรWhat ลบ2คูณลบ1เป็นอะไร มาลบสองลบหนึ่งเป็นอะไรเอ้ยลบคุณลบเป็นอะไรครับบวกบวกลบสองลบหนึ่งสองบวกสามเป็นอะไรทำอะไรต้องมีอะไรครับเอ้ยตามเลยอ๋อมันไงเป็นสลับ x ไง change x to negative อันนี้วิธีทำตรงไหนอ๋อมันได้ไหมแต่อันนี้x negative 1 minus y minus 7เราก็ตอบ y ครับ y เป็นอะไรมันได้จริง it's the same thing x เท่ากับลบหนึ่งเป็นอะไรเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเสียงเร็วหน่อยเป็น15 นาทีแล้วเลยยังไม่เสร็จมันมีสองข้อ only two numbers เร็วหน่อย what 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 อืม what เอ้ยยังไม่เสร็จครับเอาทุกคนเสร็จแล้วเหรอยังไม่เสร็จ raise your hand ไอ้ก็ไม่พอนาทีโอเค everyone สลับสมุดครับ exchange notebooks hey you've been doing this for 20 นาทีแล้วเสียยังไม่สลับซุนกันเล่นก็ได้ครับหนึ่งสองสามสี่ห้าหกไม่สลับซุนก็ได้ครับซุนกันเล่น okay let's answer this everyone read this everyone read this อ่านครับ why what's the value of y when x is -1 again what we're going to do is to substitute that from this x we're going to substitute -1 okay what is -2 times -1 2 2 plus 3 5 meaning when x is 1 y is equal to 5 need one check now when x is 0 what's the value of y when x is 0 what's the value of y Negative 2 times 0? 0 plus 3? 3. How about when x is 1? What's the value of y? What is negative 2 times 1? Negative 2 plus 3? 1. One check for this, okay? And then, everyone, shh, if you write this one here, sneak up, one check for the table of value. Okay. Now, let's graph. What are the ordered pairs? Negative 1, 5, 0, 3, 1, 1. One check. Up. No arrow, Pete, okay? May me arrow, Pete, cup. Luxon. May say Luxon, Pete. Okay? Hey. เข้าใจไหมครับ Okay, next. X minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. What's the value of y when x is negative 1? ทุกคน let's isolate y. อันนี้ลบ y ใช่ไหมครับ if we put it there เป็นอะไรครับ เป็นอะไร ลบ y ไปนู่นเป็นบวก y ใช่ไหมครับส่วนบวก y เป็น y. What is negative 1 minus 7? Negative 8. Meaning, when x is 1, the value of your y is negative 8. Now, when x is 0, same thing. The value of your y is negative 7. Again, we're trying to make, ani buwak y, ใช่ไหมครับ buwak y. We're gonna find the value of positive y. How about when x is 1? The value of your y is negative 6. And one check for this. Now let's graph. Okay, I'll get the score. Okay? เข้าใจไหมครับ Do you understand? Again, everyone, this is the last time that we're gonna count the score. I will get the score. For those in the other school. I'll get the score. Okay, for those who are in the other school, bye-bye,ครับ. Because I'm going to get the score. Bye-bye.